Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you're fine and doing well. I had just come out for some chores and then I saw this garden which is very much in my neighborhood and I just thought of taking a walk around. So I just thought of filming too with you guys. As you see me on the joggers track too, there's quite a lot of sun and it is quite morning. It is not early morning though, it is about 9:30 or something, but still the sun is sufficiently shining bright on my face and I'm just trying to find some shade as you can see. I just thought of walking around the park just to refresh myself so that I'll have a fresh green start of the day, because it's really very difficult to find time for a morning walk because we have n number of chores and then I have to get ready for office, so it is really very difficult to find time. So I just come here to take a walk and I will also show you the beautiful view of this garden. And so many people, they are working out here. You see me squinting because the sun is really scorching. I really do not want the sun to damage my skin, but at the same time we get vitamin D from the sun. But anyway, the sun gives me a bad tan and I will head home now. So I have reached home and I have something to show you here. This is what I have. I have a box of some skincare. I'll show it to you properly. So these are the magic products that I will be using, and as you can see, this company Herbal Villa, as the name suggests, they are 100% herbal products. They are 100% authentic, absolutely free of any chemicals, any adulteratives, anything which is going to harm the skin. As you know that Multani Mitti is used as a clay component, as a clay powder for clarification of skin since ages. It's originated in Rajasthan in India, and actually there's a place called as Multan in Pakistan from where it finds its actual origination. Herbal Villa generates all these products which are absolutely organic. The benefits of orange peel powder are known by one and all. Orange peel powder is an excellent natural way to take off the tan from your skin, especially the summer tan. So Herbal Villa provides us a completely natural, pure, organic orange peel powder. Next is Herbal Villa rose petal powder. These are pure roses, not the hybrid roses, and these are crushed and then a powder is made by dehydrating these petals. So a combination of rose petal powder, Multani Mitti and orange peel is what I'm going to use today. I've used it several times and that is how I'm going to demonstrate these products in my video. So as you see, I'm sitting with an absolutely bare face. I have cleaned my face properly. There's no trace of makeup. There's no sunscreen because I was just walking out from the hot sun. And now I will show you my magic remedy, how I take care of my tan. So to start making a face pack, I have taken first, that is Multani Mitti. This is Multani Mitti from Herbal Villa. As you can see, I have shown you the details of the products and I have got sent this product by this company. I have already used it and that is how I am showing you, because I have complete confidence and faith in this product. These are all made in India products. So I have taken one spoon of this and I am using a glass bowl. The next rose I am using is half a spoon of rose petal powder. As you see, these are herbal rose petal powder, actual roses which are dried and crushed. So I am taking half a spoon, I am adding into the same bowl. So this I take about half a spoon here. You needn't be very precise about these measurements because they are all herbal products. So it is not going to harm your skin. So in goes Multani Mitti and then I have added rose petal powder. So while Multani Mitti is going to act like a base and the rose petal powder is going to act like a conditioner for my skin, the best tan removal in the world, organic, herbal, natural, however you call it, is vitamin C, and the best source is oranges, and this is the powder of orange peel. So I'm taking this quarter a spoon. So quarter a spoon of this powder and it goes into the same bowl. So I have a powder here. Now into this powder mix, I'm adding some rose water or gulab jal. You can add even ice cold water. If you don't have rose water, I'm using Gulabari Dabur rose water here. And also, if your skin is dry, one more tip, you can use essential oil of your choice. But at the moment, I'm just adding these powders and I'm adding rose water. I'll just mix it and make a fine paste. Add the rose water as much as you like, but see to it that you don't make a runny paste. But there is multani mitti, so it is definitely gonna hold it. So a paste of this consistency, something I'll show you a close-up. So this is what is made now. I'm using a face pack brush. You can use a silicone brush or just you can use your fingers, whatever you are comfortable with, and just try and apply it all over your face, leaving the sensitive areas of the under eyes. And so I've applied the pack all over my face, and during the application of the pack, when it is dry, you should not talk or make any movements so that your skin remains firm. So I'm not going to talk and allow it to dry for at least a good 10-15 minutes. This has become semi-dry. I don't want to stretch my skin and talk, so I'll wash this and get back to you. So I've washed my face with cold water, and this is how my skin is looking. It is looking quite fresh. I'm feeling fresh rather. It is looking a little bit lighter, brighter than what it was, and my skin has become fragrant because of that rose petal powder. It's known since ages that vitamin C is a very good tan removal solution, and that is exactly what I have used. It is herbal, organic, bio-sourced from the fruit. It is very safe. I got a slight tingling feeling when I was applying it, not when it was drying it. Also at the same time, my skin had become pretty cool, so I was feeling fresh even when the pack was on my face. But I would like to give you one tip here. Any of the clay packs which you're making at home, or even if you buy the ready-made ones from outside, never allow them to dry completely 100% on your face. This will take off the excess moisture, excess sebum, which the sebaceous glands, oil glands in our skin secrete. So always remember to wash off your face when it is dry by 70 to 80%. Also, it is advisable when you are washing off any face pack, just wash it off with plenty of water. Do not rub the remains of the face pack onto your skin. These are going to cause some micro scratches or microdermal abrasions which are not good for your skin. So keep in mind all these tips, and I'll see you all next time in my next video with a fresh glowing skin. By that time, do subscribe to my channel. I hope you have liked this kind of video. If you have any more ideas which you want to see on my channel, do tell me them in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, give it a big like, share it with your friends and family, and I see you next time with a brand new topic in a brand new video. Until then, bye.